But an important thing to mention first is that notice the price is currently at 0.011 and will be launched at 0.025. Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing incredibly well. We're starting the week and I'm bringing you a pre-sale that just began, which has a pretty good price accessible to everyone, and the launch price is going to surprise you even more. So stay tuned in this video and let's start the complete analysis of today's video. First of all, we'll start by analyzing the amazing game I have for you today and all the advantages it offers. It's extremely important to analyze it thoroughly and always be responsible when investing, making sure you understand 100% everything that the platform brings directly. It's also important to follow the social media, both Twitter and Telegram, because there you will find all the relevant information to ask any questions you think are necessary for you. You can resolve it without any problem within the communities of each project. Understand Runera before investing. It's in pre-sale with a competitive price. Join Runera's Telegram or Twitter to stay informed. What is Runera? Before making any kind of investment, and as I always say, join the project's communities, whether it's on Telegram or Twitter, to stay 100% informed about all the updates that will happen in the future within the platform. And now let's get started. What is Runera? Runera is the pioneering artificial intelligence gaming protocol that leverages BRC20, the layer 2 solution of Bitcoin, and is fully compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine ecosystem. By using native Bitcoin for gas fees, Runera bridges the Bitcoin ecosystem. And EVM, combining the stability of Bitcoin with the flexibility of EVM to create a robust and innovative platform. What is the focus of the platform's innovation center? Runera is dedicated to integrating cutting-edge technologies to continuously enhance its capabilities. By keeping up with the advancements in the industry, our goal is to integrate these innovations into our platform, ensuring that we remain industry leaders and provide an exceptional user experience. Recognizing the importance of rapid technological progress, we actively explore and adopt new technologies to enhance Runera. And now let's talk about the pre-sale phase of the token. We're going to analyze it a bit so you can understand perfectly how a round phase works in a pre-sale. The pre-sale of Runera is scheduled to last between 2 and 3 months, strategically aligned with the planned launch of the organic mainnet in stages of 3 days. The pre-sale remains a dynamic pricing model, where the token price will increase by 10% in each round phase. This section is crucial for understanding the pre-sale. Use only official links found in the video description and pinned messages to access the pre-sale phase. They are in phase 2, having raised $111,000. To do this, always use official links. Never use links from third parties. You will find the official link in the description of this video and also in the pinned messages. Just click directly there and you'll be in the pre-sale phase. As an important point, we will analyze that they are currently in phase 2 of the pre-sale, in which they have already raised $111,000, as you can see right here. Investing is extremely simple. I'm going to explain everything next, but you need to understand one important thing. The purchase price of the token, which is currently at 0.00011 cents on the dollar, and the listing will be at 0.025 cents on the dollar. What does this mean? That once you make the purchase, you'll already be at an advantage. Once the token is listed, that is, you'll have some X directly in profit without having listed the token. Now then, once you get directly to the investment phase, first, I assume that you have fully analyzed the platform and want to invest, so I'm going to explain how to do it. For that, I always recommend that you have your MetaMask wallet, because it's the one that makes any type of transaction the most secure. Besides, you can invest in any type of network without any issues, so it's the one I always recommend for every type of investment. We're just going to connect wallet, we click here, we select MetaMask, we sign the contracts, and once signed, that's it. It's that simple. And in this phase, you'll be able to select the network that you find suitable for making the purchase. The one I always recommend is the merchant network, because it's one of the ones with the lowest fees. And also it's one of the safest just by clicking on it. You select the payment method. In this case, I've chosen USDT. You sign the contract. You enter the amount of USDT you want to buy, for example, $150 or $200. Here, it will automatically show you the amount of tokens you are going to acquire. And with that, you just click on buy. And that's it. Remember that the next phase has a price of 0.012 cents on the dollar. In the ecosystem section, you'll find different applications. Pretty good, whether it's gaming, artificial intelligence, or Bitcoin. To be able to analyze everything completely and see a little bit of what might interest you, for example, we have here, explore the Runera ecosystem, go to your favorite tab, whether it's directly for DeFi, encryption, NFTs, gaming, etc. You'll be able to analyze absolutely everything. You have a ton of information right here to dive into. For example, if you go to the gaming section, you'll find tons of games to play. Have fun and try out a bit of all the technology that this platform offers us. Alright guys, let's go straight to the winner of the giveaway from the previous video. We simply head over to our xXArChYXXYT channel. Let's go straight to the last video we have here about the Pongo token, which is crazy. There's a huge investment, so analyze it completely. Besides, it's audited from all sides. My phone is ringing, and it seems that in this phase here, I never make any cuts. Let's go to the BP app giveaway and we go straight to create. We click on the YouTube giveaway. My phone keeps ringing. Sorry, just a moment. I'm going to silence it. I'm not going to cut this either, okay? Give me a second to silence it a bit and we're good to go. Here I'm going to paste the link directly. Control T to paste. Let's get started. Let's load the comments. And in just a few seconds, we expect almost nothing. Almost nothing. We filter out duplicates. We click on confirm. And in 10 seconds, we have the winner of this fabulous giveaway. As always, I want to thank everyone. Remember that you're giving a lot of support to the channel. And everything I earn goes directly back to you through giveaways. The winner is Andres Sotelo Moreno. It says to jump right in and see how it goes. Congratulations. So guys, I'm practically saying goodbye. Here I send you a kiss, a big hug. Thank you for always being there, always. And I'll see you, as I always say, in the next video. Bye-bye.
Now we just see everything we believe.